Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367 93076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 98367 93076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So please feel free to contact us via these contact details, so that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations. Uh, or preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI entrances, etc. So please feel free to contact us. Then you can join our online classes, our regular batches, and also you can join our one-on-one sessions. So that will be beneficial for your uh, preparation. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in ISI MTECH QROR subjective section, and the question is telling us that a circle of radius r touches a straight line at a point M. Two points A and B are chosen from on the line on opposite sides of M such that MA equals to MB equals to A. Find the radius of the circle passing through A and B and touching the given circle. Okay, so now firstly we have to think that what we have from the question. So we have a circle of radius r touching touches a straight line at point M. Okay, so now 2 points A and B, 2 points A and B are on the line equidistant from M, such that we have MA equals to MB equals to A. Sorry, small a. So a new circle passes through A and B. A new circle passes through A and B. And is tangent to the original circle. Okay. So after that, what can be done here? So now we are going to setting up the coordinate systems. So place the straight line on which A, M and B lie as the x-axis. Okay. So now let me write it also so that will be easier to see. So let me change my font color. Yeah. So now we are setting up coordinate system. So place the straight line on which A comma M comma B lie as the axis. Place M at the origin. So let me draw it. This is M, which is 0 comma 0, and now AMB as they lie on x-axis. Okay, so let us take A on this side and let us take B on this side. So, and there will be the circle on this thing. So this is my circle, and radius of it is A. So this is MA equals to MB, and let our point A be minus A comma 0 and B be A comma 0. Okay, then everything will be, yeah, correct. So now the coordinates of the new circle is on the Okay, so that will be lie on this part, the new circle, and the C2 is equal, the center C2 is equals to 0 comma h, and h is the y coordinate since it's symmetric about y axis, and radius of the new circle is r, and the new circle passes through A and B, and the new circle is tangent to the given circle. Okay, so that's a very easy question, because uh, now we are going to use the distance formula from the new circle passing through A and B. So the distance from the center of the new circle, which is C2, and C2 is equals to 0 comma h, to A, which is equals to minus A comma 0, and B equals to A comma 0, is equal, as the circle is a tangent to this. So, and we know that the radius of the new circle is big R. So R is equals to root over A square plus H square. We got it from the distance formula. So thus we can write as our big R square equals to A square plus H square. Okay. So now we are going to see the tangency condition on the given circle. So the distance between the centers of the circle are what? As my center of it is 0 comma r, and my center of this is equals to 0 comma h. So that is equals to mod of h comma h minus r. So since two circles are tangent to each other, so that will be mod of h comma r. So that is equals to big R comma big R minus r. So we are going to substitute the value of r. So we will get a square plus h square minus r. So mod of h minus r is equals to root over a square plus h square minus r. So now we are going to solve for h. So case 1, let me write with another color. Yeah. Case 1, our h greater than r. So if our h greater than r, then mod of h minus r is equals to h minus r from the equation 2. So we can write that h minus r is equals to a square plus root over of this minus r. So we will have h equals to root over a square plus h square. So we can get h square equals to this. So we will get a square equals to 0. So our a will be 0 in this case. Okay. So this case is invalid because our a is greater than 0. So this case is invalid as a greater than 0. Okay, so now our case 2, h less than r. Then our mod of h minus r is equals to r minus h. So our r minus h is equals to this minus r. So we can write it as 2r minus h is equals to root over a square plus h square. So now we are going to square it from the both sides. So we will get 2r minus h whole square, so equals to a square plus h square. Then we will get 4r square minus 4rh plus h square equals to a square plus h square. So we get 4r square minus 4rh equals to a square. So now we will get 4rh equals to 4r square minus a square. So h will be r minus a square by 4r. Okay. So now from the radius of the new circle, which is r is equals to root over a square plus h square. Now we are going to substitute the value of h from it. So we will get a square plus r minus a square by 4r whole square So what we will get now? A square plus r square minus 2a square by 4r plus a square by 4r whole square. So after that, that will be a square plus 4r minus a square by 2r plus a to the power 4 by 16r square. No, our we have r here, so r and r will be cancelled out, so there will no r. Okay, there will does not exist any r, so we will get a square by 2 and this thing. So my big R is equals to what? So this is equals to, okay, we what we got in this. So this is my equals to big R. Okay. So now after that what can be done here? Yeah. So this is the final answer. That's the radius of the new circle is equals to root over r square plus a square by 2 plus a to the power 4 by 16 r square. Okay. So this is the problem here. I think you understand. And again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries or any doubt or anything, so please feel free to contact us via these contact details. So our team can arrange doubt clearing sessions and you can join our regular batches and you can join our one-on-one sessions and online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you guys.